Dubai's real estate market is starting to slow down, and in some areas prices are even falling. But this isn't just about supply and demand. There's something bigger happening in the background: rising geopolitical tension in the Middle East, including the ongoing Iran-Israel conflict. So the real question is this conflict affecting Dubai's property market? And will prices continue to fall? Let's break it down. Over the past few years, Dubai became a safe haven for global investors. During periods of geopolitical uncertainty, capital tends to move toward stable, business-friendly regions. And Dubai benefited from this. Investors from Europe, Russia, and across the region moved capital into Dubai real estate. This created a surge in demand, and prices increased rapidly, but markets move in cycles. And what we're seeing now may be the next phase. When tensions rise, like the Iran-Israel situation, money initially flows into safe locations. But over time, uncertainty changes investor behavior. Some investors become more cautious. They prefer liquidity. They delay large investments. And real estate, being a long-term commitment, can slow down. At the same time, global interest rates remain high. This reduces borrowing power and limits new demand. Meanwhile, Dubai continues to build. New supply enters the market. And when supply grows faster than demand, prices come under pressure. Now let's connect all the pieces. The Iran-Israel conflict adds a layer of uncertainty. It doesn't directly cause a crash, but it influences how global capital moves. In the short term, it can push money into Dubai, but in the medium term, it can reduce risk appetite. And that's exactly what we may be seeing now. Some investors who entered during the boom are taking profits. Others are waiting on the sidelines. And this creates temporary downward pressure. But does this mean a collapse is coming? Not necessarily. Dubai still has strong fundamentals: population growth, expat inflows, infrastructure expansion, and relatively high rental yields. These factors continue to support long-term demand. So instead of a crash, what we are likely seeing is a correction, a natural adjustment after rapid growth. For investors, this creates a key question: is this a risk or an opportunity? Short-term investors may face volatility, but long-term investors often see this as a chance to enter at better prices, with better yields and less competition. In summary, Dubai real estate may continue to experience short-term pressure, driven by higher interest rates, increasing supply, and geopolitical uncertainty, including the Iran-Israel conflict. But long-term fundamentals remain intact. And for patient investors, this may be where opportunity begins. If you want more insights on global markets and investing, make sure to subscribe.